Hello everybody, welcome. Today's video is going to be an awesome full ride POV in high definition 4K video of Tiana's Bayou Adventure. We finally got to ride it after weeks and weeks of trying. We finally rode it, and this video is going to show you the whole thing, the line, the queue, the ride, everything about it, and we'll give our thoughts on it after the show, so stay tuned. It's going to be amazing. All right, so the ride just reopened and we are in the front of the line, so that's good. Hopefully it stays running this time. We are gonna take a look, see what we find here.
Welcome, y'all. Let's meet up with Lewis and find some musicians for our party. Look out, Bayou, here we come.
Hello? Anyone down here who can blow a horn and jam? Hello?
People down here think I'm crazy, but I don't care. Trials and tribulations, I've had my share. There ain't nothing gonna stop me now. I'm always there. I remember the day you told me fairy tales can come true. You gotta be the right.
If you're looking for musicians, you don't have far to go. Tell the people where to come.
Tiana was right. There are musicians out here and they are cooking.
They can play, no doubt. We'll ask them to join the band for sure.
Tiana, you were right. The Bayou's got just what we need.
They sure can play, but we gotta keep searching high and low.
How long can I go?
I'm asking all of them to play at the party, but we've got to keep searching high and low.
How long can I go?
Y'all ready to get down to 50?
Where did our friends go?
I don't know.
We have to find them.
Your fault is wrong.
Ha! Been there, done that. But you found the sound out crazy.
You say every time. Hope you enjoyed getting tiny. Now let's get you back to your big, bold, beautiful selves. Let's get you big again. Cause the bigger you are, the bigger the splash you'll make in the park.
You have anything dry? Huh? No. I need to clean the camera off. I don't have anything dry.
Now let's get you to the party. You'll get there in no time. Guaranteed.
Whoa! A little wet. Jeez. As good as it's getting, I guess.
Tiana sure knows how to make a party special. Just fill it up with special people like you.
So that was Tiana's Bayou Adventure. I love that ride. It is so good. I cannot wait to ride it again. I feel like riding it the first time, I barely could even get to see it because I was videoing, and I just loved the experience from start to finish. I just thought it was such a fun ride. I am amazed by it. I do think there's a few spots in there where they could add a little bit more, add a little bit more animatronics or things like that, or little characters and stuff kind of scurrying around. That would be cool. But overall, I love this. I love the ride, and that scene at the end for me is just mind-blowing. Like, I can't wait to see that scene again. This is definitely a ride that I am going to continue to ride. I'm going to fall in love with it, just like I did Splash Mountain. Rode that for years and years and years since it opened, and I cannot wait for the next decades or two to continue riding Tiana's Bayou, falling in love with that, of course, and getting to ride it over and over again. It's definitely going to be one of my top rides in the park that I'm going to try and get on as much as possible, even though I get wet, which I hate getting wet in theme parks, but that's an exception because it's just such a phenomenal ride. I love how long it is, and I will tell you, I got soaked. I got absolutely drenched on that ride, so it is no joke. It's a great ride. Let us know what you think in the comments. If you are a big fan, if you can't wait to ride it, or you've already ridden it, we'd love to hear from you. Until I see you next time, thanks for joining us. The Noble Way is the easy way. Bye-bye, everybody.